Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox UGC. We'll guide you through the exciting journey of becoming a creator. First, we'll cover the essential requirements and the application process. Then, we'll dive into the powerful tools you'll use for three-dimensional modeling and asset creation. Finally, we'll walk through uploading your unique items and share valuable strategies for achieving success on the platform. Get ready to bring your creative visions to life. To begin, ensure you meet the program's eligibility, which typically includes age and a good account standing. Next, submit your application through the official Roblox Creator Hub. This is a crucial step. Once accepted, you'll need powerful three-dimensional modeling software, such as Blender or Autodesk Maya, to craft your items. Finally, become proficient with Roblox Studio, as it's where your creations will come to life within the platform. Now, let's design. Model your item meticulously in your chosen three-dimensional software, adhering to Roblox's specific technical guidelines. After modeling, craft compelling textures and materials to give your creation a distinct and appealing visual identity. If your item needs movement, rig and animate it carefully. Finally, export your completed asset in the appropriate file format, typically FBX, ready for seamless integration into Roblox Studio. With your item ready, upload it to Roblox Studio and meticulously configure all its properties, including its type and category. Carefully set a fair price and write an engaging description to attract potential buyers. Actively promote your UGC across various social media channels and within the Roblox community itself. Remember, continuous iteration and improvement, driven by valuable community feedback, are key to long-term success and growing your creator presence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.